Friends, this is a rocket launcher activity for kids. Let's start. This is from Butterfly Edufields. Let's make it. They gave wooden pieces, rubber bands, foam pieces and straws, and tape. First we need the glue. The trigger has the grooves. You can either break it or take it out gently. This is the first piece. Here's the second piece. Here's the third piece, which we are going to lead at the last. This is the fourth piece. These are the locks. And these are the keys. These tiny ones. And these are the foam pieces to make a rocket. Let's start. First we need this base and then we need two locks. Push this inside. Make sure that the big one is on the inside facing the small dot and the small one is facing outside. Do the same with the other one. Now, since these are coming out like this, we need to lock them with keys. We need two keys for this. 1, 2. Can you see a hole here? Push this into here. Do the same with the other one. After inserting two legs and after locking them, we should place the trigger in these slots. See this gap? This should go here, like that. Gap with the slot and gap with the slot. Now add the third lock, a leg. Place it. Keep it in. Take one key and push it in. Done. And after locking it, pieces on the bottom side. Make it stick to the wood and the foam. And make sure that you can see the tape through the hole, the big hole. Keep one foam piece at each hole. Now this step is done. We can keep this aside for now since we don't need it. We don't need this tool right now. And we need 3 rubber bands. 1, 2, and 3. Because we need to put them in these provided holes. One here and another one here. Then it will come like this. And then one here and then again one here. So it will come like this. And one here and another one here. It will come like this to form a triangle. Now we need to keep this here and make sure the skirt parts are under these circles. And then see these little slits? Put the rubber bands in there. Done. Now we need that this one. Now we need to add this ring to align the locks or legs. See this small piece? Let it go into one slot. Like this. Now we need 3 more keys. 1, 2, 3. And then push them so that the locks are also secured at the top. Now we need to insert 3 straws. Through here and then through here and then through the bottom hole in which the sticky tape is there. These will act as extra support. Make sure that these don't come out. Now we need to move these rubber bands to the top. Now let's make the rocket. Remove these phone pieces. We do not need these, and we don't need the keys anymore. See this bit? Push it. Like this. And then place your locket. Push with locket. Hang on, let's try again once. To try again, put the rubber bands at the bottom again. Uh-oh. It's okay. Now it's set again. Now let's keep the rocket and keep it up high. I'll just close this. And now the exciting part. Oh no. Let's try it once more. Put back to the bottom. Turn the trigger so that the ends are meeting here. Insert the straws correctly. And then try once more. High up. But also remember to put these below. It will just come out. Check that everything's correct. And then I hope we had a wonderful time doing this activity. Bye bye friends.